This pocket option account has made over $70,000 in the past month using just 2 simple indicators. So in this video, I'll show you guys how I went from $0 to over $600 in profit using this exact strategy. First, let's go ahead and add the indicators we need. The first and the main indicator we need for this strategy is the super trend indicator. Make sure to change the multiplier to 2 and keep the ATR period as it is. This indicator will help us identify the overall market trend and give us clear buy and sell signals. Next, add the CCI indicator and set the period to 14. This indicator, on the other hand, will help us measure market momentum and identify potential overbought and oversold conditions. To enter a buy trade using these 2 indicators, 2 conditions need to be met. First, the super trend indicator needs to move below the candles, showing that buyers are in control of the market. Next, the CCI indicator needs to be moving toward the 100 level, confirming the upward momentum. If both of these conditions are met, we can enter the market with a 1-minute buy trade. To enter a sell trade using these indicators, the super trend indicator needs to be positioned above the candles, confirming that sellers are in control. To further confirm the sell signal, the CCI indicator needs to be moving toward the -100 level, or already below it. Once both indicators are aligned, we can place a 1-minute sell trade. Now let's place some actual trades using this strategy. Right now, I'm in the EUR/USDOTC market. Here we can see that the super trend indicator is positioned above the candles. If we look at the CCI indicator, we can also see that it's about to cross below the -100 level. Since all the requirements for a sell trade are met, I'll enter the market with a $55 sell trade. We successfully closed our first trade with a profit. Now I'm in the AUD/CHF market. Here we can see that the market has been in a downtrend for a while. The CCI indicator also appears to be moving toward the -100 level. So once again, I'll enter the market with a sell trade. Just as predicted, we won that trade and made a profit of $96. Let's move on. After a while, I switched over to the AUD/USDOTC market. If we look at the super trend indicator, we can see that the market has been in a strong uptrend for quite some time. The CCI indicator is also approaching the 100 level, indicating even stronger upward momentum. So, according to the strategy, I'm going to place a $200 buy trade right here. We closed that trade with a profit as well. Let's place one more trade. Here we can see that the market continued its uptrend and attempted to reverse right here. However, the pullback was rejected, and the market continued moving higher. We can also see that the CCI indicator has moved above the 100 level, confirming a strong bullish trend. So I'll enter the market with a $384 buy trade right here. As predicted, the market continued upward, and we profited on our final trade as well. Using these 2 indicators, I was able to make $628 in profit from just 4 trades. If you guys want to see more pocket option strategies like this, make sure to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.